Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to compare between Bluesky versus X. Is the era of X, formerly known as Twitter, finally coming to the end? Why are so many people packing their bags and migrating to Bluesky in 2025? Let's dive into the biggest social media showdown of the year. Bluesky versus X. Stick around because what's happening here might just change the way you see social media forever. Brief history of Bluesky and X. To understand this, we need a quick history lesson. Bluesky is a decentralized social media platform founded by Jack Dorsey, the original creator of Twitter. Yes, you heard that right. Jack Dorsey envisioned Bluesky as a platform that prioritizes user control and freedom over corporate interests. Meanwhile, X, which was rebranded from Twitter after Elon Musk's takeover, has seen numerous controversial changes, like removing the blue check mark system, charging subscription fees for basic features, and implementing stricter content moderation policies. These changes alienated a chunk of X's loyal users. Key differences between Bluesky and X. Now let's compare these two platforms. What sets Bluesky apart? First off, decentralization. Bluesky operates on the AT protocol, which lets users own their data and customize their feed algorithms. This means you decide what content gets priority, not some mysterious algorithm. On the other hand, X continues to be a centralized platform, controlled by Musk's team. Many users complain about intrusive ads, algorithm changes that favor controversial content, and an increasing pay-to-play model. Another major point, community vibe. Bluesky users describe it as inclusive, creative, and troll-free, thanks to decentralized moderation tools. In contrast, X has been criticized for fostering divisive and often toxic conversations. Why people are leaving X in 2025? This is an important question. There are three big reasons. First, subscription fatigue. Users are tired of paying for basic features like verified accounts or even higher visibility for their tweets. Bluesky, on the other hand, offers a free, more user-focused experience. Second, ad overload. X has ramped up ad placements, making the platform feel cluttered. Bluesky being ad-free is a breath of fresh air. And finally, trust. Elon Musk's polarizing decisions have left users uncertain about the future of X. Bluesky's transparency and decentralized nature give users the control they crave. What Bluesky offers in 2025? In 2025, Bluesky continues to evolve. Its unique features include customizable feeds, enhanced privacy options, and a growing network of creative and tech-savvy users. It is not just a social media app, it is a movement toward decentralization and user empowerment. Will Bluesky replace X? Not yet. While X still has a massive user base and Musk's aggressive plans to turn it into an everything app, Bluesky is steadily carving out a niche for itself. Think of it as the indie darling of social media, small but mighty. The big question is, do you prefer creativity and control, or are you sticking with the familiar, albeit flawed X? Let us know down below in the comments. And that's all for today's comparison. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with a like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.